Yo, what's up, guys? This is Theo here. Welcome back to CodeCademy. Learn HTML and CSS. This will be part 9. So let's get to it. So we're on what is the box model? Basically, the box model is the dimensions of an element's box, the border of an element's box, the content within the box, and the area around all four sides of an element box. Let's go ahead and put this rule in, and I'm going to explain it. So this is the wild card. So it selects everything. And what this says is give everything a border of 1 pixel solid RGBA and 0.3. So 0.3 for the opacity. We have to see what these are. Pretty sure that's just going to give it black, but let's run this and see what we get here. Yeah, so we sort of have a light gray, and so let's just add it a pixel. So now we can see sort of the border and the container, the exact width of everything in the box. So pretty cool. Let's move on. So again, there's the pixels, the ems, and the percentages. So it says in style.css, set the content header div. Okay, so let's go find that. Content header. And we want to set its height to 320 pixels. Okay, so let's see how this changes everything. Okay, cool. Next, set the width of the navigation div to 100%. Okay, so let's find navigation. Let me see if I can find it. Navigation, where is it? Okay, I'm going to set width to 100%. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, cool. So now we have 100% width on that. Awesome. Let's move on. So there's min width and max width properties. These are helpful sometimes if you want to sort of create a sort of responsive grid and you need elements to be a minimum width. So in style.css, set the minimum width of the paragraphs to 200 pixels. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the paragraphs. And we're going to give them a min width of 200 pixels so that they can never fall below this width. Awesome. So the maximum width, let me go back down. I'll apply another rule, and we're going to set max width to 800 pixels. So now it can never go above. So there's a sort of constraint on it. Awesome. So just properties you should know about. There's also min and max height. So in style.css, set the minimum height of the paragraph to 100 pixels. Okay. So we're going to say min height, 100 pixels. And let's look at this now. So now the box can't actually shrink to that. Now we're going to set the max height of the paragraph to 200 pixels. So again, you can resize this. I'm not going to resize it, but we're just sort of constraining everything. All right. In style.css, add the overflow property to the content box class selector, and okay, set it to scroll. So what this will do is any content that goes outside of the height, we're going to create a scroll effect. So sort of see what's happening. We've created a scroll. So instead of just, letting it, overflow, we've now decided give it a scroll, and you can also hide it. You can change it to, there's a lot of different properties. There's hidden, scroll, etc. And the last one, so what we've learned that all HTML elements are contained within a box. There's a width and a height. Width and height dimensions can be set using one of 3 units of measurements: pixels, ems, or percentages. And remember, ems are relative measurement. Minimum and maximum width or height can be set for a box. And if an element's box becomes too small, the content may overflow. The overflowed content can be controlled with the overflow property. Okay, so last thing we're going to do, remove the first code that you added at the beginning of the lesson shown below. Okay, so let's just remove that, because that was really just to show, what each element was taking up in terms of space. Awesome, guys. So we just finished that, and next up we'll be on borders. Learn how to set and style the borders of any HTML element. Cool. So that's it, guys, for part 9. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Take care.